Hello everyone, welcome to my new blog and welcome to Kulik Bird Sanctuary, which is situated at Raiganj. Today I will show you a full tour of Kulik Bird Sanctuary. Here the entry fee is 40 rupees per person. Let's get inside the bird sanctuary. Kulik Bird Sanctuary is situated at Raiganj in Uttar Dinajpur district in the Indian state of West Bengal. This bird sanctuary is the home to 164 species of birds and some 9,000 to 1 lakh migratory birds visit this sanctuary every year. This bird sanctuary is claimed to be the largest bird sanctuary in entire Asia. Several types of migratory birds arrive here each year from South Asian countries and coastal regions. They start arriving from the beginning of June. The migratory bird species includes open-bill storks, egrets, night herons, and cormorants. And the resident birds here are kites, flycatchers, owls, kingfishers, woodpeckers, and many more birds. Here in the screen you can look to the beautiful birds with white and black color, and all these birds have a long sharp beak. The entire tree you can look, it is filled up with the beautiful birds. These birds are Asian open-bill storks and they generally start nesting during mid of June. Though the migration depends upon rain, if monsoon starts early, the Asian open-bill comes early. The other 4 species start nesting in mid of May. The Asian open-bill stork is a large wandering bird in the stork family. This distinctive stork is found mainly in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is greyish or white with glossy black wings and a tail, and the adults have a gap between the arched upper mandible and recurved lower mandible. The young birds are born without this gap, which is thought to be an adaptation that aids in the handling of snails, their main prey. Although they resident within their range, they make long distance movements in response to weather and food availability. The usual foraging habits of these birds are inland and wetlands and are only rarely seen along the river banks and the tidal flats. The breeding season of these birds are after the rains during July to September. After breeding, when the young birds starts to fly, they fly back to their own destinations. Thousands of tourists visit this bird sanctuary every year. The district administration constructed the Raiganj Kulik Park close to the sanctuary with the objective of enhancing the beauty of the area. This Kulik Bird Sanctuary is spanning an area of 1.30 square kilometer, and it is connected to River Kulik with an intricate network of artificial canals which provides food for the birds. Apart from birds, the exotic collection of flora and the wildlife of the sanctuary is also fascinating. I wish you all may come and visit this Kulik bird sanctuary. Thank you.